guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is useful for the medico students. If you are a medico, please like it and share it with your friends. If you are not a non-medico, share with your medico friends. Let's get started. So let's start the unboxing video. So here you can see it's Rapid Revision 3.0 notes and the price is 3,500 rupees. So I just paid it and prepaid. Okay. So yeah, here we go. Here we are unboxing. So here comes. Let's start quality. So they gave some stickers. Thank you doctors, COVID warriors. Okay, yeah, this is good. I like it. We can stick it anywhere and we can just feel motivated to further study. Okay, next. So they have given volume 1, Rapid Revision volume 1. Let's open it and see what is inside. The paper is not too oily and not too rough. It's pretty good. So we can see that. So if you are not sure about how to prepare or how to schedule yourself, you can see here and you can follow it. So this is very good. I just liked it. Like you can just watch it and then you can prepare yourself. And they have even given the second schedule and third and fourth revisions and everything. So you should be doing grand test. And the contents, coming to contents, in Rapid Revision Volume 1, we have anatomy, biochemistry, physiology, pathology, radiology and integrated maps. So first let's see what is integrated maps. I'm really curious to know what is integrated maps. So let's go to page number 544. Where is page number 544? So here comes page 544. Integrated maps. Infantile hypertrophic. Oh, okay, fine. So this is how do you diagnosis? For example, if you take pyloric stenosis, HPS, so first how will the patient present to you, and next what you need to do, what is pathologically, how you find, and clinically how you find, how do you manage. I really liked it because I have worked in a hospital and it's really important to know how does the patient present to you. So I really feel it's very important and very useful. Esophageal reflux disease, here is in the gas. So here in gastro they gave esophageal reflux disease. So here they gave achalasia cardia and here they gave tetralogy of Ehrlich. And yeah, this is pretty much about it, about the maps, integrated maps. So yeah, you can even write it in a different book so that it will be very useful, because nowadays they are giving more clinically oriented questions. So now let's see the inside content, what I like and what I did not like. And also about the writing, I don't think it is handwritten. These are pretty much very clear and keen. And I like the colors they have used. It's very appropriate and very clear. Okay, so this looks interesting. Previous year questions. So they have given beside the topic so that it will be very useful for you. So look. And for the answer they have highlighted with other color. So it is also helpful. Yes. And let's see what else do we like. Okay. And here I can see that there is important information which is given in separate columns. And even the pictures and also the labelings are very clear. I have never seen in any book, because when the content is very short and also if the pictures are very small and precise, you get some blurring of the parts which they mention. But here it's very clear. So here I really liked about this book is, what I really liked is, see, in some books when the pictures are very small and precise, the labelings which they give are a little bit blurry, but in this I find it very clean and clear. So this is a plus point, I would say. Mm. Explanation. So this is volume 2. I'm just opening it. You can view this in fast forward. So this is volume 2. In volume 2, they have given same like the previous one about rapid revision planner. Like you can use this planner or you can use your own planner. It's up to your choice. But I would suggest you to go through it once so that it might be helpful. So never a thing is not helpful unless you use it. Okay, so here comes in rapid revision volume 2, microbiology, pharmacology, FMT, it's forensic medicine and toxicology, pediatrics, ENT, and integrated maps as usual. So I am like in the previous volume, I'm also interested in integrated maps. So let's first go to integrated maps. 318. I guess last 2 to 3 minutes it will be. Yes. So here they gave acute laryngotracheobronchitis, which is called CROB. So they gave about this, and they have also given acute respiratory distress syndrome, ARDS, which is also quite common in children, and gas gangrene. Yes, this is really important, and filariasis. Now let's look inside. I think it's pretty much same as they give the previous year questions and important information which are highlighted in different colors. And by the way, I see timestamps which are like very much helpful, because whenever you want to study some separate topic or like only the specific part, sometimes you would be like wondering like, okay, now I have to search all this, but they have given a time stamping which is very, very helpful. I know you might have seen in other books too, but giving that thing in, we know that rapid revision is very precise content. In that precise content, still they are giving you timestamps so that you don't need to waste your time. So you can directly go into this point. So I like this one. And yeah, maybe the video might be blurry when we really zoom in, but the pictures and the side headings were like very clearly given in this book. So that's what I have liked it very much. And yeah, tables are very, very So first they have given dream, believe, and achieve. So it means first we know our dream is to get into a PG college and branch which we like, and then we have to believe in ourselves, and finally we have to achieve it. I think as it is the last one, it's taking time for me to open it. Okay, there's little bit trust on it, but okay, it's okay. Sometimes it happens. Yes. So in this, the contents are orthopedics, radiology, anesthesiology, dermatology, and psychiatry. Right. Let me see anesthesia. I don't know. I'm just seeing what might be in anesthesia. 262. It's 262. Yes. Okay, Mallampati grading, and yeah. This is very much important. They are nowadays repeating in every exam. So whenever if you work in, even if you work in a emergency department or like in ICU, these are very much useful. And when the patient has been connected to ventilator, it might help you in just clearing your exams also. So if you're working like me as a part-time worker and also studying, the correlating with the clinical stuff with the things you read will also give you clear orientation. And the goal is these are also very much important. You can see in your daily practice. And the cylinders, yeah, all these cuffs which are like very useful and also into practice if you're working in a emergency department or ICU. And yes, dermatology also, which is very important. They always give these mothitian alopecia and also trichotillomania. They'll ask you the differences, so this is also important. Yeah, now pretty much about it. So this is my unboxing video. So hope you all liked it. The things which I didn't like, it's nothing that which I don't like, because as I'm following Prep Ladder, I feel it's pretty much useful, so I just bought them. And another important thing is, it's not that you should follow only one app. It doesn't matter. If you're following one subject or teacher, it is also fine. For example, for few subjects I follow some other apps, and for few subjects I follow Prep Ladder. And mostly for medicine I follow Marva sir's class, because he explains very well. So that's the main reason why I bought these notes and also like purchase, so that it will be very helpful for me. And also pharmacology is also very good in this. So the main subjects are very well explained. So yes. So yeah, that's it. So I don't want to drag this video for so long, so that it might make you feel bored. So the thing is, I have never bought the previous year rapid revision notes or snapshots or anything, because as Snapshot is like recently launched, I was like very much curious to see what's new. And after seeing like just one or two unboxes, I just felt like okay, fine. So the matter is, it's 3,500 rupees, which are, yeah, they might be expensive for some people who have already bought the previous year rapid revision notes or snapshot notes. But for me, I feel this is very worth it, as I don't have, as I'm FMG graduate, I just had FMG notes which they used to give earlier. I never bought PG notes also. I just cleared my FMG using that notes. And for PG, for preparation, as I told you, like I like Marva sir's classes, so I just separately bought one book. Now I'm not sure whether they are selling the individual books. So as of now, yeah, this is worth it according to me. And if you want to buy these notes and get it, I'll just keep the link in the download description box. So please download and go and buy if you're really interested. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, so that I can help you more. And if you want any related video, whether how an FMG graduate must clear PG, or how an FMG graduate must clear the FMG exam, I'll really be helpful to let you guys know. And thank you. Signing off. This is Dr. Hema. Bye bye.
If you like this video, if you want more videos like this, please comment me in the comment section. I will post this kind of videos as soon as possible. I see you in the next video. Take care.